children. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are very well. Okay, in today's session, means in last session what we learned, Nana? We learned A letter, and next A, and next E, next E, U, and U letter. Okay, we learned A, E, U, U, and starting with these letters. Starting words with these letters. We learned A से लेकर U तक. A to U letters we learned, and starting with these letters. Starting words with these letters. We learned words also. You have to identify the pictures. Pictures in Hindi. You have to identify the pictures in Hindi. Anar means pomegranate. Pomegranate means anar. You have to know. And pomegranate means anar. Goa means amrud. Okay, like that you have to know. Today we will learn ru. Nana. We are learning now swar. Swar and swar से start होने वाला words. We are learning swar. Swar means आ से लेकर आउ तक. A to आउ तक letters are called swar in Hindi. Swar means vowels, Nana. Swar means vowels. Okay. A से start होने वाला words and A से start होने वाला words, E से start होने वाला words and E से next U से start होने वाला words हम लोगों ने सीख लिया. Means we learned already. Today we will learn ru. What is this letter? Swaru. Ru letter, Nana. Ru letter. How to write ru letter? Okay, we will learn today how to write ru letter. See, just you write like V letter and one standing line, one circle, and like this. This is a ru letter, Nana. What is this letter? Ru. See, one standing line. Okay, one circle, like this. And each letter after give finger gap. Daily I am saying, Nana, whenever you are writing letters or words, you have to give finger gap. Keep finger and write. Okay, letter after keep your index finger. Keep your index finger and write next letter. Again keep finger and write. What is letter, Nana? Ru. Whatever you are writing in notebook, you have to read, Nana. Ru. Read and write. Everybody should read and write, Nana. If you not read the letter, you can't identify the letter. If you not read this letter, you can't identify the letter. If you not read this, how will you know? Is it ru? It is ru. Okay, you have to read. What is this letter? Ru. Keep finger and write. Ru. Okay. What is this letter, Nana? Ru. 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 See, write first, standing line, and write like this. What is letter? Ru. Keep finger and write. What is letter, Nana? Ru letter. I think you all are following these videos, Nana. All of you follow all videos, first class. All videos follow and complete your CWs and HWs. HWs also you have to write homework. Daily I am giving homework. Day by day coming Hindi subject, you should write homework and complete the CW, Nana. Okay, you write in HW. This ru letter, complete page. You should write. Give finger gap and write. Give finger gap and write. Complete the page. What is this letter? Ru. What is this letter, children? Ru. Okay, this is a ru letter. What is this? Ru. Now, we will learn words start with ru letter, Nana. सी रू से स्टार्ट होने वाला वर्ड्स नाना, रू से स्टार्ट होने वाला वर्ड्स. सी हियर गिवन, सी आपकी रू. पेज नंबर 21 नाना, पेज नंबर 21. What is this letter? What is this letter? See, ru. What is this letter, Nana? Ru. See, rang baro, color it. Yes, see, clouds are there. You have to color it, Nana, in your textbook. Okay, buy the textbook. Those didn't buy books, now buy, Nana. After that, complete the all textbook also. Okay, what is this? These are clouds. You have to color it. This one. Next, see. ऋतु. ऋतु. What is the first letter here? रू letter. Next तू. ताकि छोटी ऊ मात्रा जोड़ने से तू. ऋतु. ऋतु means season. Season. Summer season, winter season. What is here? This is a rainy season. Raining. Yes, raining. ऋतु means season. ऋतु. 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 ऋतु means season. Next. ऋषि. Rushi, Nana. See, 3 more pictures are there in our textbook. Rushi. Rushi means saint. Next, Ruksha. 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 Ruksha means bear. Next, Rushabha. Rushab. Rushab means ox. Rushab means ox. Once again, I will explain. See, Rutu. Rutu. Rutu means season. Rutu means season. Rushi. Rushi means saint. Ruksha. Ruksha means bear. Rushabha. Rushab means ox. Okay. All words, Nana. These 4 words starting with ru letter. You observe the letter ru se start हुआ. Ru says rutu. Rutu means season. Ru says rushi. Rushi means saint. Ru says ruksh. Ruksh means bear. Ru says rushab. Rushab means ox. Rutu means season. Ru says rutu. Rutu means season. Ru says rushi. Rushi means saint. Ru says ruksh. Ruksh means bear. Ru says rushab. Rushab means ox. Is it clear, Nana? You have to learn all pictures names. Okay, ox means rushab. Okay, if I ask ox, what will you tell in Hindi? Rushab. Ox means rushab. Bear means ruksh. Bear means ruksh. Next, saint. Saint means rishi. Season means rutu. Okay, you have to know all Hindi words, Nana. And the next page, see, page number 22. Page number 22. Bindu milakar rang baro. Bindu milakar rang baro means join the dots and color it. Join the dots and color it. Here given, see, dots given, Nana. You have to trace the dots. After that, color it. Okay. Next. चित्र पहचानो और नाम का पहला वर्ण लिखो. चित्र पहचानो. Yes, see, चित्र पहचानो. Okay, चित्र means picture, Nana. Identify the picture and write the first letter of the picture. Recognize. Recognize means identify. Recognize means identify the picture. Who is he here? Saint. Saint को क्या कहते हैं? Saint को in हिंदी में ऋषि कहते हैं. ऋषि. But we have to write only first letter of the ऋषि. ऋषि लो first letter what? In ऋषि first letter ru. And next, what is this? Rutu. Second picture, Sinana, Rutu, season. Season. What is that one? Rutu. In Rutu, first letter what? Ru letter. Just we should write ru letter and only first letter we have to write. And next, Riksha. Ru letter. We should write ru letter. Only first letter of the picture. Yes, all pictures start with ru letter, Nana. Yeah, all pictures start with ru letter. Only we have to write here ru. Ru says Rushi. Ru says Rutu. Ru says Rukshu. Pada or likho. Okay, here given ru letter. We have to join the dots, Nana. Trace the dots with pencil and read. Okay, while you are writing, read the letter. Okay, ru letter completed, Nana. Today, ru letter completed. You have to learn ru letter and starting with ru. Starting words. With ru letter, Nana. You have to know words with starting ru letter. Ru says Ru says Rutu. Ru says Rutu. Rutu means season. Ru says Rushi. Rushi means saint. Ru says Ruksha. Ruksha means bear. Ru says Rushab. Rushab means ox. Okay, you have to learn Nana. Complete the page number 21, 22. And next you should write ru letter in HW Nana. You should write ru letter in HW. Okay, complete the page. Okay, ru letter complete this one. Keep finger and write. Keep finger and write. What is this letter? Ru. What is this letter? Ru letter. You complete the full page Nana in HW. Write one page. After that words. The next page write Rutu. One side write Hindi word, another side write English word. Rutu means what? Season. Okay, Rutu. Rutu season. Next, Rushi. Rushi. Rushi means saint. Next, Ruksha. Ruksha. Ruksha means bear. B-E-A-R, bear. Next, Rushabha. Rushab. Rushab means ox. Okay. And another page. And write next page Rutu. Okay. Rutu. Write each word 5 times Nana. Rutu means season. Rutu. ताकि ऊ की मात्रा जोड़ने से तू नाना. Okay. It will come in second class. Just to identify the picture. Okay. Rutu picture you have to identify. Season means Rutu. Season means Rutu. Okay, saint. Saint means Rushi. Saint means Rushi. Bear, Ruksha. Ox, Rushab. Ox means Rushab. If I ask ox, what we call in Hindi? Rushab. Saint, okay, what we call saint in Hindi? Rushi. Okay, season means season. What we call Nana season in Hindi? Rutu. Okay, you have to know pictures names Nana in Hindi. Okay, pomegranate means anar, mango means you have to know like this. Okay, bye bachcho. Aap learn this ru letter and starting with ru words. Okay, words with starting ru letter Nana. You have to learn. Okay, thank you bachche. Bye.